Ah, travel! The thrill of new places, the allure of the unknown, it beckons us all. But let's face it, the thought of missed flights, lost luggage, or language barriers can bring on pre-trip jitters. We've all been there, right? That's why I'm here to share some tried and true travel hacks that'll make your next trip smooth sailing. Imagine this. You're strolling through a bustling Italian market, the aroma of freshly baked bread filling the air, not a worry in the world. That's the magic of stress-free travel, and it's easier than you think. Over the years, I've picked up a trick or two about making travel a breeze. From the cobblestone streets of Prague to the sun-drenched beaches of Greece, I've learned that a little planning and a positive attitude go a long way. So buckle up, fellow explorers. Let's ditch the travel stress and unlock the secrets to effortless journeys, making memories that last a lifetime. Planning might seem tedious, but trust me, it's the key to unlocking a stress-free trip. Start by creating a simple itinerary. No need to plan every minute, but having a general outline keeps you organized and prevents decision fatigue when you're on the go. Next, embrace the beauty of technology. Use travel apps to book flights, accommodation, and even reserve your spot at that must-visit restaurant. These handy tools often offer the best deals and save you precious time. Now let's talk packing, the bane of every traveler's existence. My golden rule: pack light. Lay out everything you think you need, then cut it in half. Trust me, you'll be surprised how little you actually need. Finally, don't forget to research local customs and etiquette. A little cultural sensitivity goes a long way in ensuring a respectful and enjoyable experience for both you and the locals. Packing light is an art form. Start with versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits. Roll your clothes instead of folding. It saves space and prevents wrinkles. Toiletries can be bulky, so opt for travel-sized containers or consider solid toiletries like shampoo and conditioner bars. They're eco-friendly and take up less space. Remember that universal adapter? Nothing is more frustrating than arriving at your destination only to realize you can't charge your electronics. And here's a pro tip. Pack a small first aid kit with essentials like pain relievers, bandages, and motion sickness medication. It's always better to be prepared. In today's digital age, technology can be your ultimate travel companion. Download offline maps of your destination so you can navigate even without an internet connection. Use translation apps to break down language barriers and communicate with locals. They're incredibly helpful when ordering food, asking for directions, or even having a simple conversation. Stay connected with loved ones back home by using messaging apps or video calls. Sharing your experiences in real time adds another layer of joy to your travels. And don't forget to embrace the power of social media. Use relevant hashtags to discover hidden gems in your destination, find recommendations for local restaurants, and get inspired by fellow travelers. Maintaining your health while traveling is crucial for a truly enjoyable experience. Stay hydrated by carrying a reusable water bottle and refilling it whenever you can. Eating local cuisine is one of the best parts of travel, but be mindful of food safety. Stick to reputable establishments and opt for cooked dishes over raw foods when possible. Don't let jet lag derail your trip. Adjust to your destination's time zone as quickly as possible by setting your watch and eating meals according to local time. And most importantly, listen to your body. If you're feeling tired, take a break. Remember, travel is a marathon, not a sprint. Remember, even with the best laid plans, unexpected hiccups can happen. A delayed flight, a sudden downpour, or a missed train connection, these are all part of the adventure. Instead of letting these moments derail your trip, embrace them with a positive attitude. See it as an opportunity to practice your problem-solving skills and discover something new. Remember, the most cherished travel memories often stem from those unplanned detours and unexpected encounters. So, go forth, embrace the unknown, and savor every moment of your journey. Over the years, these simple hacks have transformed my travels, allowing me to truly savor each experience. Remember, travel is about embracing the journey, not just the destination. So, pack your bags, leave your worries behind, and embark on your next adventure with confidence and a smile.